Seven.
What's baby sister doing?
Meadow size.
No, what did you just tell me? What's baby sister doing? Is she growing? Are you growing?
No.
You're not.
Big. I'm big.
You are big. What's baby sister?
Pooh.
What's baby sister? Is she big or little?
Little. Tiny.
Tiny. What did you do today to help me give sister a bath?
What toes?
You washed her toes?
Yes.
Edith's toes?
Yes.
Did she have big toes or little toes?
Tiny toes.
Tiny toes.
Come on. It go back. Fingers. Soap. My arms. Soap over my hands. It go back. Potty. I go potty, yes.
You went potty?
Yes. Ready, go potty. My milk was
Where did you go with Daddy the other day, Margaret?
Weapon.
To where?
Weapon.
What'd you get at the library?
What's this DVD?
A horses DVD? Who's in that DVD?
No horses DVD.
Did you get Mary Poppins?
I am Mary Poppins.
You like Mary Poppins? Do they ride on a carousel?
No.
That's when they ride the horses.
Carousel.
Do they dance?
Yes. Children watch.
The children watch when the chimney sweeps dance?
Yes. Children watch. I want children riding horses so careful. But careful.
They have to be careful so they don't fall off, don't they?
Don't they? Try go sleep. Yeah. Children go sleep.
Uh-huh.
Poppins. Poppins.
Mary Poppins?
Poppins. Winnie Poppins. Said Winnie Poppins. Said horses, sweeps, dogs, cats, penguins, sweeps, horses, children, said Penny Poppins, Minnie Poppins, said A, 2, 3. Said
She says all of that?
8, 2, 3, 8, 9, 12. Cut. So, when it Poppins bus.